Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. The project we'll be talking about in this video is called CATDOG. Now, this project is for people who are looking into making passive income, getting reflection, increasing the value of their assets, and basically, try to live on the passive income that you generate. Try to be able to, pay rent using that. So this is a project for those people. We'll be talking about the mechanisms that are in place to ensure sustainability and growth of the whole overall project and the token. And we'll be talking about ways through which you will be able to earn passive income in this. And of course, we'll be talking about what makes this project secure because it has been audited and the founder has passed, the KYC. We have the certificate and the proof of it. So we'll be talking about what makes it safe, the opportunities that we have, how we can make a passive income, and so on. But as always, anything that I'm going to say in this video is not going to be a financial or an investment advice. So always do your own investigation research. And with this out of the way, let's get right into it. Now, this is the official website of CATDOG project. It is on the Binance Smart Chain. So the complete name is CATDOG BSC. We have been seeing a lot of tokens that start with Shiba and the Inu, Floki, Turbo, FlokiMoon, and basically the Inu coins. What they're doing is basically they're trying to start a new era. We have seen dog meme projects. I'm not sure if we have seen enough of the cat projects, but we do, but this is something slightly different because we're combining two different kind of like genres. So we have cat and dog, and we do know that there's a cartoon of that as well. You can basically remember it from this picture that we have right here. So I used to watch this in the childhood, although it doesn't have any relation in the in terms of the tokenomics and the actual functionality of the project. Of course, these are just the the ideas and the background story in a sense there is. But still, I think it's pretty interesting. So this is the contract address, and we have the buy now button and the chart as well. It'll open up on the pool coin that we have right here. So you'll be able to review the whole trend and the transactions that are happening and the trend that the token is following. So you'll have the information right here. The features that we have in this token are these. Basically, this is the protocol. So on every single transaction, when the token is either bought or it is sold, there is a transaction fees that is taken out. Now here's how the transaction fees is utilized. So we have reflection. 1% is used for reflection. It is basically given back to the holders. If you are holding this token, you will receive more tokens whenever anyone buy or sell the token. And they also add a portion, use this portion of the fees to add to the liquidity. That is a good move to solidify the price floor. We also have the option for staking, and there's a huge 1% daily earnings for the staking, which we have the, I think the dashboard, this is the dashboard that we have. And there's a total of almost 560 million CATO that is currently staked. So you can, it says rewarding staker 30% monthly returns. So that is like 1% daily. So in a month, that is 30%. So I think this is a pretty good ROI if you think about it. Now, they're also mentioning about the buyback. So it says in each purchase and sale, the contract will add a percentage to the liquidity. If you talk about the complete tokenomics, this is right here. So we have 7% that is used for marketing, because for projects like these, marketing is really important. Reaching out to new people, to new users, to new investors, that is really, really important, because the price and the overall value of these tokens, it is based on the speculation of people, the hype that people are they're creating. So for that, marketing is really, really essential. 2% is added to liquidity, a solid amount to be, they use, and then 1% reflection. And then afterwards, if you are not satisfied with the returns you're getting by just reflections, you can always go for staking. There's no penalty. There's no time period. There is no lockup on staking. That's pretty amazing. So I think that's another good way for you to earn an income. Now, it says low fees and healthy liquidity. If we move somewhat above, I think it's time that we talk about the security of the project. I already mentioned that it has been audited, and we have the certificate of it right here. And they also have been, they have passed the KYC as well. It is from the crypt audit. This is a virtual audit that we have. So you have all the details of the audit and the complete report. So this whole thing ensures that it is completely safe, it is secure. The founder has passed the KYC, so we have the information of that. They have the information of that as well. And this whole thing ensures that that is completely safe. So that, I think that's pretty amazing. Now, if you want to take part in staking, these are the steps that you need to follow. So first, you connect your wallet. You stake your CATDOG. First, of course, you have to buy the CATDOG tokens. So once you have those, you can open up the dashboard, and you can, which I just showed you guys right here. You'll be connecting your wallet in which you have the CATDOG tokens, and then you'll be staking them. You can choose the amount that you want to stake, and then you earn CATDOG passively. You can unstake at any time. There's no penalties or lockup period. So that's pretty amazing. Now, here's the roadmap that we have. So in the phase 1, we have, they're building Telegram, building the project on Twitter, which we have right here. This is the this is their official Twitter. So I'll give you guys a link that'll be in the description. And then we have the creation of the smart contract, auditing the smart contract. This has been done in the phase 2, massive marketing, Twitter trending, ads on different websites, Telegram calls, email marketing, contests for the community. In the phase 3, we have listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. That is pretty amazing. In the phase 4, Twitter influencers, Telegram calls, BSC trending, AvidX, #1 community competitors. In the phase 5, we have text tools trending, listings on reputable exchanges, partnership with influencers, and utility announcement. Now, we don't know what the utility is going to be, but it's good to know that they will be developing a utility. That means that the demand for the token will be increasing, and more transactions will occur. With more transactions, will be earning more and more. Now they have placed a tutorial on how you can buy the CATDOG token. So basically, you can use this. They're showing that this tutorial is for people who want to buy it using MetaMask on the PancakeSwap, which I have showed like I think hundreds of times. So this is where you can buy it. This is the project that we have that you can use. That is like a safe platform, a safe project that is that'll help you earn a good income passively, whether you want get reflection or you want to earn staking rewards. I think this is the perfect platform for it. So make sure that you check this out. I'll give you guys all the links that'll be in the description. And yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.